Hi YouTube. So today what I'm gonna bring you is an idea that came up from our school system in my area have been doing. They basically did this thing called Adopt a Senior. They opened their Facebook page for people to post the pictures of their seniors, and other people will turn around and say, "Hey, I want to adopt that senior." They'll find out what kind of goodies they want or they like, what kind of snacks, and maybe shirt size or whatever, and they will bring them basically something that they will think they'll like, just to show them appreciation and to show them that people care for them. So I'm gonna bring you a decoration boys and girls version. Just a simple idea, nothing big, nothing fancy. It's all from Dollar Tree. Don't forget to like the video. That really helps my channel grow. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notified every time we upload new videos. And without any more delays, let's get started. So here's a couple of ideas that you can do for the baskets. We're gonna grab our basket. So this thing, you can actually either just leave it like that or customize it, just paint it, put some decor in it, and just make it more, if you know who the kid is, you can make it more customized, or just hand it over like this. This is pretty enough as it is. You can never go wrong with that. You can add the little friend guide. So what I wanted to do, and at this moment I really don't have the time to do it, but I wanted to paint this hat a solid color. Actually, I can just, oh, I don't even have to do that. So if you have a printer, you can always print the logo of the school or something and just kind of place it on this hat. There we go. Chug. For the hat. That's cute. Alright. Okay. So, there you go. You can always add a gift card. Then you will add your card, your sign up on it, and just kind of place it somewhere. Stick it out somewhere. There we go. So you want to put more stuff. Another thing is not so much for. So you can always, if you have some, like, they do have boy scarves that are like flannel and stuff, but I couldn't find any. So let's just imagine this is a boy scarf. So you can do a couple of things. You can either loop this. So let me just, I'm trying to do it in a way you can see it. So yeah, So the two ends right here and two ends right here. In between that, you can just loop it through. A little macrame trick. And here you would just kind of tie it. And there you go. Huh. So literally a senior basket. Another thing that I was thinking of doing was kind of, since this has holes, just kind of loop it through the holes, in and out, in and out. Let's move this out of the way. Hole, in and out, in and out. You can do it this way, or you can just actually tighten up. Do a double. Let me do this just to make sure. Give it a little bit of a finish. And then there we go. So let's say here's our beginning, right? You can, let me see if I can do it. You can spell at least the letter of the mascot. So there's a T, the Titans. Alright, so anyways, you can make an initials of the kid's name or something like that. So alright, so I had to look it up and see what can I do, what else can I do with it. But the only thing I could come up with is one of these on each handle. So, and I wish they would have had these in green, because that purple and green would be cool. So one like this. Do it a little bit more closer so you can see what I just did. So I just grabbed the loop, pass it through all the way, grab the other end and pass it through all the way, and just lay it there. So technically this is gonna be a just kind of to give it some view, or just a little idea. just tuck those in there. I mean, some girls are not gonna like makeup like my daughter. So you can buy flip-flops for girls and then put them somewhere. I forgot one thing on the previous one, the rubber ducky. Don't forget your card. Don't forget your frame. Oh, and this is gonna be part of it because like I said, if you wear glasses, so happen to be the kid that wears glasses, these always come in handy. The glasses always get, you know, loosen up and whatever. You can put shampoos, you can put soaps, you can put just all kinds of stuff in there. Don't forget your little thingamajig that I'm just gonna lay it as a base because I need a little bit of height to be able to see the cute rubber ducky guy. And you don't forget that. And this is a little basket. So another idea for the girls was the same thing with the handles, but with a scarf. You can use a scarf and this actually will be easier to tie. These ones you can actually also loop it through the holes and make it look like a flower. Cover in flowers like that, and that's just by looping it through the hole. Anyways, you can cut it open on one end and do that, or you can just do that. There's strands everywhere. Alright, so we're gonna grab one of these scarves, and the same thing, you're just gonna do a handle with it. The good thing about this is you can just tie a knot. Actually, let's do a tassel style. There you go, gift basket. I mean, the idea is this is something to just kind of bring their spirit up, just to make them a little bit happy due to the fact of all this crap going on. So hopefully, I hope you like this and just give you some ideas on what you can do. Okay, it's not complete. Now it is. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified, and I'll see you next time. Peace.